What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel with another episode of the Throne and Liberty game. And in this video I will be showing you how to get the Archboss weapon and how to use it. To get the information about the Archboss weapon, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as hard as you can and let's dive right into the video. So the arc bosses below is information on the location, rewards, and mechanics for both arc bosses in Throne and Liberty. Remember, participate in both boss battles regardless of your level to qualify for loot and codex completion. However, the bosses hit incredibly hard against all players regardless of the gear. These are the two map locations, if you guys can see it properly, for the Desert Overlord Queen Belendir. This is the map location right over here. So here you guys can see that it's right here, Belendir spawn, right underneath the sandworm layer waypoint and above the sandworm layer. So here you guys can see that you can find it. The Queen Belendir is first arc boss unlocked through the milestone system and is a level 50 gigantic worm that spawned in the Queen's Trap in the northwestern portion of the sandworm layer. There are two ways of reaching Belendir spawn. You can run southwest from the Antness waypoint of the travel northwest from the Sandworm Lair waypoint. So the other is underneath the Shadow Crypt waypoint, east from the Watcher's Post and the north from the ruins of the Tarvanai. So the Cortes Wraith event is a level 50 outpost that spawns on northwest edge of the ruin of the Trine in the center of the Treven temple. There are two ways to reach the boss. You can either travel northeast of the Watcher Post and fly down into the temple, or run southwest from the Shadowed Crypt waypoint. So the granted loot is Conquest Participation Award is Treven. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do it, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.